Hello, welcome to Ultimate Mechanical. And we're starting to take the subframe off this old heat scrap Audi A4. I've saved just all the heartache of that. I've undone all that already. So that's all undone. There's only one bar there. Other side of that to come off. And bolts, engine mounts, and such like to be taken off. As you can see, it's well rotten. It's very hard to film underneath. We have an engine mount there. The cameras probably don't do it justice. See better from that side. Engine mount there. Engine mount on the other side, but I need to get that. I need to get that out. Two bolts there. I'll gun them out. 3 bolts here. 3, 6, 7, 8. 8 bolts. Plus the arms, anti-roll bars down, off already. Right. I'll cobble this all together at some point. 18. Right, subframe's on, arms are on, legs. Tina's showing you at an angle, but hey, move down a bit, Tina. There you go. Anti-roll bar to go on. Spring to attach, shouldn't take too long. But I'll show you the old subframe. You look at it. You'll see it's sweating a bit of power. It's absolutely rotten. So tell me that went rotten in a year. Don't think so. Strange how it's on the same side as my own one went. I think they're quite common for going there. Must be a weak point in my flaw of some sort. But didn't film actually lifting the subframe on because well, taking that one off. The only one thing I will say is the engine mounts we couldn't undo. Tina's going to fall over. The engine mounts we couldn't undo, so we ended up taking the gearbox mounting off and taking it out backwards instead of taking it out forwards, which is no hassle really. To be fair, didn't take us that long. It's taken me longer to put a bolt in that bit of alloy, but we'll get there. Anyway, leave it there just now. My next step is jacking this up to get the spring on it. I've got to line it up so I can get the spring on it. It's pretty cold here today, so tune in and I'll show you in a few minutes. I'll show you something else in a few minutes. Anti-roll bar all tied up. Got to do something with this. I'm not sure whether I've got a new one in the back or not. I'm trying to work something out. It looks a bit crusty in there, so there's no actual play in the track rod, so I might just end up putting a boot on it. Seen they burnt through that. I was sort of that abortion went out. I don't know what they did to that. Probably wants a set of brake discs. Probably wants brake discs. we showed you that the other day, pretty rotten. That's all scrap. For a bit of alloy there. This side, I need to renew these. Control arms are knackered, so hence the reason I've not put any of that in yet. I probably will, once I've done the back bit, start with that. I'm just taking my time anyway. I've got I was supposed to get it done yesterday, but I want to paint the wings for this car because I have wings for it in the house. I want to paint the wings for it. There's that wheel liner to go back on once I put the wings on it. Not working inside there as well, because you do. There's engines. Want to buy an engine? I look for tractor lanes. We do have one. I believe that is a tractor lane. So, not sure whether that's a right or a left. We do have a tractor lane for it. So, right, I'll bring you back in a couple of minutes. Right, there's, I think 1, 2, 3, there's 4 of them there. Buller's engines. Any of you boys from a small engine side want them. I'm not doing nothing with them. Postage anywhere in the UK, 25 quid there. Make me an offer on them. If you want them, you can get them. That one's got a bit of a broken fin at the top of it, but I'm lying in the back of a car. We'll go back in the car later on. They all turn, none of them are seized. Don't know what's wrong with them, like. All got carburetors and things like that on them. So, right. Okay, like I say, if you want them, just give me a shout.